Hi, in this video we're going to cover setting up the FM Accounting Link MYOB AccountRight Edition file to authenticate with the MYOB Cloud, just to get you up and running. So let's jump into the MYOB company screen, and this should already be set to cloud for the API type. If not, make sure it's on cloud and you can leave everything else blank. So to get going, we just click the Authenticate button, which opens a card window and takes us to the my.myob login screen. So this is where you just need to log in with your normal my.myob login credentials and approve access. So it's remembered my email from the last time I've logged in, so I'm just going to log in with my credentials. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to enter your code like normal. And if this is the first time you've tried to authenticate and approve access, you'll be presented with this screen, and you just simply need to click the Allow Access button to approve the link between FM Accounting Link and your AccountRight company files, and then you get a blank web viewer, at which point you just need to click the Continue button, which will then return the access code. And you can see here the access code has been generated along with its expiry timestamp and a refresh token. And our scripts will then use these when making requests to handle the authentication, and also they'll handle the refreshing of the access token when it expires. So generally only need to do that authentication process once. The next thing you need to do once you've authenticated successfully is go and pull down your list of AccountRight company files from your server, or from the cloud, sorry, and generally you'll only have one, but if you've got more than one, you can then choose which file you want to work with in the FM Accounting Link file. So I'm going to choose one of the sandbox trial demo files, and then the next step is to go and make some requests and just confirm that everything actually is working. So a quick way to do that is to go and download some general ledger data, such as your list of account codes or tax codes. Now I'll get prompted at this screen to enter my username and password for this actual file. Now I'm going to just put in those credentials individually. So I'll just copy and paste those across. But there is another option here, and that's the single sign-on option. And if you're using the single sign-on option, this is where you've linked your my.myob login to the company file. You would just tick that box, and you don't actually need to enter a username and password for this. So that was successful. The list of tax codes have come down successfully. We'll just make another quick request to import our chart of accounts, and that was successful as well. So at this point I know that I've successfully approved or authenticated my link between FM Accounting Link and my AccountRight file. I've chosen the file that I want to work with, and I've made some requests successfully, in this case entering my username and password for the particular file. So everything's working successfully. At this point you could continue on and make further requests, such as uploading a contact or uploading an invoice.